What is up, guys? I have the Deuce pulled out in my driveway here. And the plan, well, first off, let me let you know, I have not fixed any of my wiring like I said last week I was gonna do. So this stuff is all super band-aided together. I would never drive it on the street like this, but it starts and runs right now, so that's good enough for me. So I have had this idea for a t-shirt that would have my Deuce on jack stands, butt all up in the air, and I'm sitting there, legs hanging out from underneath it. And it would say something like Jack Stand Club lifetime member, because kind of poking fun at the fact that these cars seem to sit on jack stands a lot. Mine does a lot in particular. So today I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up, take the wheels off of it, make it look like it's all ripped apart, and hopefully get a decent picture together so I can put it on a t-shirt, because I think that would be sick. All right, we got it ready to go now. It's just about framing this shot. I'm gonna lay around underneath it while it records and then grab a picture out of the video later. I really want to be able to see that it's an MR2, not just the back of a random car, because that'll be kind of weird otherwise. It's maybe more of a side view. Let's try that. Now I gotta just chill and act like I'm working on stuff. Let's test out some different angles. That one probably looks pretty legit. Ooh, that sun's coming down, so it's all gonna be shaded on this side. That's not gonna work very good. Might be able to make that work. Let's try it again. I swear my road is super calm until I go and try to do stuff like this and record. Then everybody's out here driving and gawking. Anyway, I ended up taking another couple shots, more of a side view of the car instead of a rear quarter view, if you will. I think whatever I got should turn out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing back on the ground, get it back in the garage before the wifey gets home. And anyway, the sun's going down anyway, I'm running out of light, but I think it should work out. I think it should be a cool t-shirt. So I'm super excited. I've been thinking about this shirt for like ever, and it looks like it might actually happen. All right, let's get old girl back inside. Look at those clouds. Little backstory on this one is it's been raining for like 4 days straight, including today. Looks like it's gonna rain some more, and I really wanted to get this picture so I could start playing with this and try and get a design for this t-shirt out. Got my aircraft chalk. Works wonders for this. But yeah, I'm gonna grab this thing, get her back inside, and call it a day. She is running rich, that stinks. All right, so that was phase one of making my t-shirt. So like I said, man, I've been so excited to get this t-shirt. I've had this idea for probably 6 or 8 months to make this shirt. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna start playing around with the editing on the image, try and get it going. And part 2, hopefully we'll have a shirt being delivered. So I will see you guys next time.